In this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips to help you get noticed on YouTube. Hi there, David Walsh here once again from davidwalshonline.com. On this channel, we help you grow your business with YouTube or grow your YouTube as a business. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We upload videos every Tuesday. So with 500 hours of video being uploaded every single minute to YouTube, it's getting a little bit crowded. So if you want to stand out from the millions of teen vloggers and funny cat videos, then this video is for you. So tip number 1 to get noticed on YouTube is focus on one thing. Time and time again, I see business owners, YouTubers and content creators creating content and it's all over the place. I meet people when I'm speaking at large events or private masterminds and they'll say, oh, I'm putting up content, but it's just not working. So when we have a look at it, we actually see that their content is all over the place. This is cardinal sin number 1 when it comes to creating content on YouTube, especially for your business. You need to focus on one thing. If your audience is confused as to what content you're creating or what niche you're in or what problem you're trying to solve, then they just won't watch your content, or if they do, they won't come back. They have to be able to identify straight away what is that one thing that you do that helps them make that decision to go, yes, this content is for me, or no, it isn't. When you make it easy for them to make that decision, all of a sudden your subscribers go through the roof, you get noticed a lot more, and then you get more and more views on your content. The second tip to get noticed on YouTube is to be consistent. Now, it might take a couple of weeks or a month or 2 to get noticed on YouTube by your audience, but by being consistent, you're actually getting noticed by YouTube. When YouTube notice that you're adding content on a weekly basis, week after week, all of a sudden you get more YouTube juice with them and they begin to put you in front of more and more people. Because you're helping them achieve their end goal, which is keeping people on YouTube as much as possible, they will then return the favor and get your content in front of more and more people. Now, it isn't just a case that you can record any old thing, pop it up there on a consistent basis, and you'll become YouTube famous. It isn't. Your content has to be world class. You need to have fantastic content that your audience actually is looking for, so that YouTube knows exactly where you are, where to put you, and put you in front of your target audience. Again, going back to the first tip, by being focused on that one particular thing or this particular area of your market, then YouTube knows who your audience is and then puts your content in front of them. Consistently uploading high quality content that's focused on a particular problem that your market has will dramatically increase getting noticed on YouTube. Now, before I get into the rest of these tips, if this is your first time here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We upload videos every Tuesday to help you grow your YouTube channel. The third tip follows on from the previous one, is to have a specific upload schedule. So one fantastic way to be consistently uploading content is to have the same day and preferably the same time that you upload your content. So I upload my content around 2 p.m. on a Tuesday UK time. This helps my audience because they know what time my content is coming out. They know when to expect it. So when they see the email in their inbox from YouTube in the notification, they know to click on the email link and go watch the video and leave a comment. By taking the guesswork away from them wondering when your content is going to be uploaded, you help them make that decision to want to watch your content. If they're wondering what day your content is coming out or what time your content is coming out, they're unlikely to actually click through to your channel to watch more content. Unless you have hundreds of thousands or millions of subscribers and fans all over the world, you're going to find it very difficult for people to take the time out to search for you and your content if they don't already know you. So if you're starting out, you need to play this game with YouTube, uploading on a consistent basis, preferably same time, same day each week, and having great content that is focused on a particular niche. The fourth tip to get noticed on YouTube is to get into your content as quickly as possible. When we work with clients who have an existing YouTube channel, we can see that they have dramatic drop-offs on their content. This is because they're rambling at the beginning of their video and people will just drop off because they're bored. You have 5 seconds to capture their attention at the beginning of the video, so unless you're able to do that quickly and succinctly and get into your content quickly, then you're going to lose more and more people. Audience retention is one of the major metrics that YouTube looks at on your videos. By keeping your audience retention high, this increases the likelihood of YouTube again putting your content in front of your target audience. When you have dramatic drop-offs on your content, it means that people don't like your content, and so YouTube will not put your content out in front of new people. So when working with our clients that have this dramatic drop-off, we look at the content, we look at what words are being said, we then tailor it and cut out the fluff that doesn't need to be there so that they're getting into their content as quickly as possible. We increase the average audience retention of the videos, and then those videos get in front of more and more people. The fifth tip to get noticed on your YouTube channel is to have great thumbnails. Having great thumbnails on your YouTube videos helps you in 2 ways. One, when your YouTube thumbnails stand out, people are more likely to click them. Having clear thumbnails that people can read when those thumbnails are small, whether that's on mobile devices or on desktop search results, helps get more click-throughs. Have your thumbnails stand out compared to your market will get you noticed as well. So having a clear, easy to read thumbnail that stands out from your competition is vital today. The second reason why this is important is when you have a high click-through rate, which is the number of times that YouTube feeds your thumbnail to your audience from your thumbnail every time it's shown to people. YouTube will then feed that video on to more people as well. So increasing the quality of your thumbnails increases your click-through rate. Having great high quality content where you get into the content as quickly as possible increases your average audience retention. And then because you're increasing everything like this, then YouTube increases your views on your content and more subscribers, and you get more noticed. So my question for you is, which area can you improve on? Is it 1, 2, or is it 3, 4, or really all 5? Let me know in the comments area below. Now, if you want to get noticed more on your YouTube channel, then I have a free training for you. It's called YouTube Jumpstart. This is a training series I've created to help you grow your YouTube channel and ultimately increase your business from YouTube. To get access to your free training, simply just click the link here right now, or click the link in the description below. I look forward to seeing you on the Jumpstart and on the next video.